I did. You already know who it is. It's the chicken guru again. I don't even know why I'm talking like that. Let me just get down to business. So, alright, so I got another special video for y'all. We're going to do another chicken review. But this time it's going to be over Church's Chicken. That's my top tier place right there. It's up there with Popeyes. Okay, honestly, it's a little bit better than Popeyes. I don't want to put Popeyes down like that, but hey, but they bring the game. They bring the game, all right? But you already know what today is. It's Fried Chicken Friday, and we're just gonna gobble down. So let's go. We en route. We en route to get the chicken. I don't play no games when it comes to chicken, man. And we might get their size too. Speaking of that, we're gonna get, if they got okra, we're gonna get that. It's been a minute since I've been there, so I forgot. We ain't gonna get no taters though. We're gonna make them homemade. We're gonna make the taters homemade. Fried Chicken Friday, let's get it. Okay, we just arrived at Church's, all right? We got a line ahead of us, but it's okay. I can see the menu, no problem. So I see that they do have some okra, so that's a good thing. When we get their okra, then you already know. We're gonna get 2 10 pieces, because we like to gobble down. All right, so we're about to order real quick, but I'm just do this right here. Yes, can I get your 2 10 pieces leg and thigh?
You said you would like 3 pieces?
No, 2 10.
2 fish?
2 10 pieces. So she told me to come to the window. We'll see how this goes. She's probably gonna say some BS about, oh, I don't want to be on the camera. I'm not gonna put you on the camera, shawty. I ain't gonna put you on the camera. I promise. It's fried chicken! Fried! I got the chicken! I got the chicken! I got the chicken! Right away, just a little taste. But no, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait till we get back to taste it. I deserve to bite that chicken. That's what I deserve. So I'm back at the crib. We made it. So here we go. I'm about to, just chop it down to business. About to gobble down. Traffic made me starve. So as you can see, it's kind of made me angry. The packaging. That's the okra right there. I don't know. I don't know. But it is time. All right. I hadn't looked at the chicken yet, so wish me luck. Ooh, wait. All right, I'm gonna get the usual leg and thigh. Then I'm gonna get the okra. I gotta do it one by one. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is the okra. I always save the chicken for last, unless it's like a chicken sandwich or anything like that in that type of nature. So, without further ado, I'm gonna not waste any more time because I'm starving. Let's get down to it. All right, let me stop because if I keep doing that, I'm gonna eat it all. As you can see, it's good. The okra is good. It's amazing. I like it. I am. Now, to the moment we've all been waiting for. the foundation of why I love fried chicken on a Friday. I'm about to go down. Give me a second. There's no debating it. That's top tier chicken. Nothing is wrong with it. The only complaint that I have is how they package the okra. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. All I'm saying is, if they had a chicken sandwich, no doubt about it, people will go crazy. It'd be worse than what Popeyes went through. I'll just say that. I'll just say that. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't watched the others, go watch them. Hopefully it puts a smile on your face. Please like and subscribe. Share it. I need everybody to start joining the chicken movement. You don't want to miss out. We're going crazy. It's Fried Chicken Friday. Don't want to miss out on it. Oh my goodness. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to gobble down. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next time.